We all need to play our brave cards. I was at a school a while back, and I always pick up stories. A lot of people think I read those and they think I went around looking for the very best. When I'm at workshops, I just randomly pick up stories. Everybody's writing impressive when they're putting their heart into it. And I picked this girl named Virginia. She's a 5th grader. I says, okay, if I have your story come up. Virginia freaked out. And her face kind of went pale, and she went, and her teacher said, Virginia? So Virginia finally came up to the front and turned her back on everybody and bent over, and her hands started shaking. I went, ooh. And I looked, and her eyes were full of tears. I says, she's going to have a meltdown right in front of 100 5th graders. I made the announcement. Do you know, everybody has to have that one moment in their life when they just say, I can be brave. And I looked. Virginia turned around. Her hands were still shaking. She stood up straight. She sniffed her nose and she dried her tears. And I watched her mouth these words. I can be brave. And then she bit her lip and stood there. I read what she wrote. Everybody loved it. The whole room burst into applause. I said, Virginia, they love you here. Take a movie star bow. She took a really grand movie star bow. Maybe her first in her life. But isn't it true we all have to have those moments where we just say, I can be brave. This week in Texas, I had kids give me aha moments because I had them stand up and read some of the things. And this one girl said, I was terrified. She said, all I could do was think of all the bad things that would happen if I got embarrassed in front of everybody. And then she said, I remembered my brave card. And she said, so I only had one thought, and the one thought took over all the other thoughts. And I thought, oh, that's how it works. When you're overwhelmed, stop thinking about all the things that overwhelm you and just think, I'm brave. And then you can handle what comes along.